Welcome back, everyone, to another box break. This one is of 1718 Upper Deck Premier. We're back here again at the local card shop, Mirage Trading in Ottawa, Ontario. And let's get right into the box. 1819 Premier is going to release next week. And, I don't think I made, getting trouble getting in. Come on. There we go. Alright, so let's put this aside and get right into the tin. Alright, so this is the box. Now there's a seal to crack. I'll get the knife back out again. Struggling with the seal. Here we go. Perfect. Alright, so the seal is off. Let's get the tin out. Here we are. Nice small tin with Wayne Gretzky. And open it up. We've got our one pack right in here. Single pack. Let's get the pack out. And you can put the tin in the back right here. And here's our thick pack of Premier. Let's get this pack opened up. Let's see what we get inside. Alright. So, we've got, to start things off, Joe Sakic. Numbered to 149. Base card. This is the back of the base card. Here we've got Nolan Patrick, Premier Rookie card. No numbering. Next, we've got Premier Collection Super Rookies of Hayden Fleury, numbered to 99. Flip it around. This is the back. Great piece of patch right here. Next, oh wow, here we go. This is it. Mega patch, number 1 out of 8. Game used Patrick Kane. Beautiful card. Wow, shaking a little. Fantastic. All right. Next we've got Will Butcher, rookie auto. And here we've got a 4-way rookie jersey card with Clayton Keller, Brock Besser, Alex DeBrincat, and Charlie McAvoy, numbered to 49. The final card, John Gibson, jersey card. Alright, well that's a very fast break of Premier. And well, in my opinion, the best card has got to be this Patrick Kane. Mega patch, numbered 1 out of 8. Beautiful card. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a tin of UD Premier 2017-18. Fantastic looking patch of Patrick Kane. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment. And I'll see you next time.